Monroe is a professor of entomology at Cornell University and a former graduate student of Wilson's. She remembers him as kind and also curious.
He had this ability to synthesize, what would seem as disparate fields or disparate, thoughts in ways that I just found so fascinating.
He was grasping for answers about why animals like ants cooperated, but it turned out it wasn't just about ants. It was about people and their desire to be selfish but also be part of a group.
We'll never get over that conflicted nature.
It was those explorations of the human experience that really landed with the public. Wilson won 2 Pulitzer Prizes for books geared towards a general audience, though his later scientific work sometimes landed with a thud, like a 2010 paper which claimed some aspects of modern evolutionary theory were wrong. Over 100 scientists penned a letter rejecting his ideas. Moreau said Wilson didn't mind.
Ed was not afraid of controversy. He absolutely loved to stir the pot, but it always came from a place where he wanted to better understand things.
Towards the end of his life, he devoted himself to environmental causes, ultimately lobbying the world's governments to set aside half the Earth as wilderness. In the end, he wanted not to deny humanity's animal nature, but to understand it, to make humans better animals.
We want to be fractious and quarrelsome and uncertain and dithering, but we just want to do it with more wisdom and making better decisions.
E.O. Wilson died on Sunday. He was 92.
Okay,
Jeff Brumfield, NPR News.
听到了。
KUOW 94.9, Seattle's NPR News Station. Good afternoon. I'm Kevin Kniested. Thanks so much for being with us. We're going to hear what Seattle music critics thought were the best local albums of 2021 coming up in 4 minutes. But in the meantime, for the next 4 minutes, we're going to be telling you about our 2021 end-of-year membership drive. We have below $765,000. We've got a significant challenge on the table, $7,500 on the table. That will be matched dollar for dollar up to $7,500. We want to take advantage of every single dollar in that match. And Deborah Wong, tick, tick, tick.
好的，我现在去买设水管的工具了，应该就是一个 tape。好的，它在 aisle 7被005。等一下 ，aisle 7这个为什么会是这样？神奇 ！aisle 7难道是在？不对啊，确实是 aisle 7。 为什么会在 aisle 7？ 为什么？不对，对啊，为什么会在 aisle 7？ 完全不理解。为什么会是7？ 好的，被005是在什么鬼地方 ？Glue， 还得 adhesives。好，明白了。OK， 所以它其实这。 flex tape 就这个东西 ，stops leaks fast。但是我等一下，啥呀这是？它我很怀疑啊，到底应该用哪个？是这个吗？ 他说是 excellent for water， 什么东西？他说可以 seal and repair， 不如就买这个吧。这两个有什么不同吗？没有任何的不同，就是颜色不同。我家那个管子没有什么区别，那就买个白色吧。 好的，我们先买着。好的，我现在去吃饭。
NASDAQ and S&P rose more than 1% today as NPR's Chris Arnold reports stocks are making big gains despite the uncertainties.
Investors have had plenty to worry about the Delta variant of the coronavirus, of course. Now Omicron is here. Higher inflation sparked by pandemic crisis is persisting longer than many experts thought. Still, stocks overall have been marching higher. Last year, the S&P is up about 30% and just close to the new record high. The NASDAQ's up 20%. Some analysts say clearly appears to be highly contagious. Data suggests it seems serious, but often manageable, especially for those who are vaccinated and boosted. So, markets so far.
Fred Meyer 应该是一个超市，但是我从来没有去过，因为这个超市太奇怪了，听起来像是一家卖家具的。
Recommended isolation times for Americans positive for COVID are now 50% shorter as long as the individual has shown no symptoms after 5 days. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is now saying that 5, not 10 days of isolation are enough for the asymptomatic, followed by an additional 5 days of wearing a mask when around others. The reduced quarantine periods could make a difference for airlines who are facing significant staff shortages with the explosion of the Omicron variant. FlightAware, which tracks cancellations, has so far reported more than 4,000
cancellations. 还好这周末没有出去玩。
Officials and health experts everywhere still saying the best thing you can do for yourself, your family, and your community is get vaccinated. Here's Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker.
Get vaccinated， 我约了呀，但是他最近没有疫苗啊，约到月底才会有第3针，所以总的来说还是没有 vaccine， 不是说不 get vaccinated。这个是最大的问题。好的，现在赶紧去 KFC。我们要去 KFC 购买一款特别好吃的东西，大家一看就待会就知道了。
British Health Secretary Sajid Javid says the outcome promises to reduce hospitalizations.
Sadly, when we look at the latest hospital admissions, a disproportionate number of those people are unvaccinated, and when you look at those requiring the most intensive care, even more are unvaccinated. We know that 2 vaccines aren't quite enough, but having 3 doses is excellent protection.
The weekly increase for all first-time vaccine receivers there was 46%. Among the youth, the jump was 85%. This is NPR.
This is KOW News. I'm Kevin Kniestead in Seattle. More cold weather shelters will open tonight in Seattle for people experiencing homelessness. KOW's Casey Martin reports.
The city of Seattle is opening 6 overnight shelters for people who escaped the cold, including one at Seattle City Hall and another at
Seattle City Hall 居然还有9个 shelter， 让那些没有暖气的人去避难，神奇。
The city originally opened just 2 shelters on Saturday, but temperatures dropped and demand for beds grew.
西雅图真的是非常失败，因为它没有像咱们学习清理低端人口，把低端人口全部清理掉了，就不会再需要 shelter。为什么咱们这么先进的治国理念，全世界没有学习？这个问题真的是困扰了我很多年。
Austin Jenkins reports the governor wants to study the options.
The Special Commitment Center, or SCC,
反正大概再开5分钟就到了吧。这 bear with me.
Island across from Steilacoom in the South Sound. There used to be a prison on the island too, but it closed.
这个街上的雪，其实昨天应该就清好了，但是我昨天实在是不想看，就是不知道这个雪有多厚，没有出来。现在看起来其实完全可以出去吃饭了。
Inslee says no final decisions have been made, but his budget proposal clearly states
supporting an equitable recovery and the reinvention of systems to create a more just, resilient world. More information is at macfound.org.
At KUOW, we believe information is a force for good in the world. For nearly 70 years, KUOW has reported stories from Puget Sound neighborhoods and shared voices and perspectives from communities around the county and world. More than 92% of our funding comes from individual contributors and local business supporters who share our belief that an informed public makes our community stronger. You're able to listen to KUOW today because people in your neighborhood and community have stepped up to support this public service. I'm Kevin Kniestead. I'm joined by KUOW's Deborah Wong.
And we are all joined by you because you are listening to this program and we are hoping that you will help support it by calling 206-543-9595 or going online to KUOW.org. Yeah, 92% of our funding. That's a lot. I mean, this.
我想，立党为什么不直播他在德州的生活呢？据说他的1美元炸鸡视频在 B 站、抖音、快手全都关闭了评论区，好神奇呀，好神奇！为什么连1美元炸鸡都可以让人破防？真的是非常的幸福了，我觉得。
One of the senior reporters there, very well respected, and he is there every day to keep you up to date with what is going on in Olympia, in your state government, in the governor's office. We are really appreciate his reporting, and we think it's really essential that we know what is going on in our state government. Your pledges of support today.
不知道我这个视频能不能发到国内，估计不大可能。我可能需要做一些 necessary edit。但是，对不对？不如让立党发吧。我在想，我是不是应该买个 mount， 把这个手机 mount 在车内弄个地方。有这个可能。确实可以买个 mount。明天还需要出去玩，但是我觉得。
So trust us right now when we say it's really important that we meet that $765,000 goal by midnight December 31st. It's really important that you make that pledge. And one of the things that's great
明天主要是人太多太杂了，不大适合录像，只能拍一拍街景吧，就是拍一拍开车的景色，可以拍，可以拍。这个东西，这个手机放哪是有问题。这个手机要是能够直接绑上去最好。说不定我去什么 Best Buy 买一个手机 mount， 把它 mount 起来。之前没有想过有这个需求。好的，这就是西雅图最大的超市了，叫做 QFC， 这个名字很神奇，就是 Quality Food Court， 但是有没有 Quality 这个我不知道。我来停车吧。很多人在自己家的后院那个堆了这个雪人，可惜我堆不了，因为我没有设备。我需要去买一个帽子，买一个铲子，买一个手套。没有想过会有这个需求。好的，这边就是很大的噪音啊，不知道为什么，但是可能是在除雪吧。但是这就是 KFC 了，我们进去买最好吃的东西。我看怎么进去比较好，从左边进门。手持云台这些东西其实都可以买，但是我完全没有想到最近下雪了，所以没有准备好要跟大家拍这个视频，所以我什么都没有。根据我们 食的这种能用就好的这种基本的原则，我就用手给大家吃一吃，对吧？有总比没有要好，对吧？抖不抖的话就没有办法了，抖怎么办呢？只能抖吧，只能抖一抖。里面都是水。好的，我们现在去吃买那个最好吃的东西了。这个东西就在，诶，这个东西在哪？在这。呵呵，这就是我们最喜欢的。肥宅快乐水，当然是没有糖的。它应该是三瓶5块钱的，非常便宜。因为单买的话，一瓶大概是2块5吧，3块钱都有可能，这么大，省了9块钱。好，我来买哪个比较好呢？我还是买这个吧，都差不多，买Zero Sugar 吧。其实我也蛮喜欢吃这种Zero Sugar 的这种 berry 的。好的，我已经没有手了，反正你知道我的意思，我要买3瓶的。好的，我先去结账，然后我再买一个 Panda Express， 结束今天的外出觅食的活动。我们来看一下这个 KFC 结账的这个流程吧。还挺蠢的。OK。Here's open。我来刷。等一下。
Welcome, valued customer. Place item in bag or cart, then scan next item. If you have your shopper's card, scan it now. Place bag or cart, then scan next item. Place your item in the bagging area.
现在是7块2毛3，然后打完折是5块吧。所以我要刷一下我的卡，会员卡 ，KFC 会员卡。天呐，就会达到5块钱。5块5毛1，好吧。大概就这么意思。随便找一张卡出来。5块5毛1买到3瓶可乐。问题就来了，我怎么从一个手把这3瓶可乐拿走？好了，我们待会就可以看到这个 Express， 排了非常长的队，美国人真的都没东西吃了，只能吃Panda Express。看这个队伍，那很长。不过我打算先把我的可乐放好再来点，然后我在手机上点，直接来取就好，我就不用排队了，呵呵。所以我现在去车上放可乐。好的，我点的外卖不是外卖，我知道晚上点的这个 order 应该已经到点了，现在去取吧。应该从左边走。差不多，好吧，从左边走。不行，从右边走吧。哇，这个水，看这个邮箱。 啊，没人。为什么没有人？啊，原来。好吧，原来刚才那个人点了大概有10套饭，导致整个店面都瘫痪了。整个店面都瘫痪了，一直没有人处理这个 online order 的问题。不过我的应该1分钟之后就会好了。好的，我感觉已经好了。它其实应该出一个显示牌。Thanks。它应该出一个显示牌，告诉我们说现在处理到第几个 order， 哪个 order ready 什么的。我觉得疫情之后最大的问题就是很多店它需要很大的 pick up 的需求，但是却没有一个专门的处理 pick up 的 window， 或者说这么一个人。这个 Panda Express 已经进步了，之前是连 pick up 和这个店内自己去点的人的队伍都没有分开，特别的搞笑，特别的搞笑。现在已经好了很多。好的，赶紧开车回家吃饭吧。